Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to day 4 by Kaggle. Today we are going to learn about agent quality. First of all, we will listen to the summary podcast. And after that, we will complete it. Then after that, we will do some code labs on Kaggle. Then first we will implement, then we will evaluate the agents. Let's start this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's start this. So first of all, we will learn complete unit that is unit 4 agent quality, and we will first listen to the summary podcast episode, and after that we can download it. You can watch it full. So for downloading you can click here. After that you can download it. So it's of 51 pages, you can read it. And so let's see what is this. And first one is introduction here. That is agent quality is an architecture built on a final testing phase. All right. So you can see how to read this white paper. This is important for product manager, data scientists, and QA readers also. So agent quality is an non-deterministic word. Like you study deterministic word in also theory of competition also. But here is a different term. The word of AI is not is transforming at first speed. We are moving from building predictable tool that is used to design autonomous agents that to interpret intent, formulate plans, and execute complex multi-step actions. So you can read it. This is very good for learning AI agents. So after that, we have to implement observability to help to debug your agent. So let's do 4A agent observability. So let's see. What is agent observability? So in day 3, you learn the what, why, and how obsession of memory management, focusing on long term and short term and shared memory state. So let's see what is agent observability. So the challenge is, unlike traditional software that their predictability, and AI agents can fall mysteriously. An example, user find quantum computing request agent. I cannot help with that request. So what is it is prompt? Missing tools API. So this is the agent observability give you complete visibility to your agent decision making process. You will see exactly what prompts are sent to the LLM and which tools are available, how the model responds, and where failure occurs. So let's see. This is the diagram for observability. So first is logs. We have to prepare notes and test the recipe that the final score is that. All right. So now, first of all, we will do the same thing. We have to create an API key. We have to click add on. So now this is the same process. You can save it. Check this box. After run it. This should be show setup and authentication complete. So this is draft session waiting for Jupyter. You can see that here. It will start running now. It should be same Google API key, that is the previous process we are doing from day 1. So setup and authentication complete. So if you want how to create an APK, I will create another video. I can create it. Now we will complete setup and logging and clean up all files. So this is clean up logger, logging config. So now we will set up proxy and tunneling. Tunneling basically used to access ADK web UI from Kaggle notebook environment. So if you are running this outside the Kaggle, you not need to do this. Alright, so I have a function defined. Now we will create research agent. So I generated. So now we will write a root agent that is used to get the user prompt and delegate the search to our Google search agent. So let's run it. So it is done. Our writing search agent. So now we will run the agent. Let's run it. First of all, we will get proxy. So before starting this, we have to run this. So it's created now. So now we can open ADK. So it started running now. So we can, after that, we will have to test the agents in ADK web. So now we will select research agent and type here you have to select research agent and write find latest quantum research papers. So you can see that here I found 2910 research from research latest quantum research. So here is the summary of the key development: improve quick stability and performances, new quantum material and architecture, and a novel quantum particles phenomenon, and advancement in quantum simulation and algorithm focus on scalability and practical applications. So this is in this way we can use find research papers. All right, tab also here. You can see that event tabs, and after that you can see a chronological list of all agent actions. We click on any event like count papers. This way you can see that it transferred to Google search agent and then count papers. If we click on count papers, it will count all papers. All right. You can see that. This 761 total count already text. All right. You can see. After that, we will have to do the inspect the function code and events. So we will click on the specifics when to open the event tabs. You can see function call is on paper argument. Yeah, here is paper argument. It's an advancement in quantum research are pushing the boundaries of. You can see that. All right, so this is about inspect the function code and events. Oh, okay. So now we can stop the ADK whereby. So for stop the can click on pause and you can delete current session. All right. And see everything is now click on cancel then. All right. So now so you can update the it's your turn now. Update the data type of paper arguments among paper tools for list and return the ADK web command. All right. So now run this. Right, we see section 3 that is loading in production. So wait, how you can debug agent failure using ADK web UI and debug logs. Alright, so this is the problem one. You let me open the UI for why the agent cannot. This is the production server no web UI access. So you how I debug production issues. So in this way we need to observability data or in other words adblocks report. Alright, so this is the diagram of how to adblock for production observability. First is plugin apply to all agents, tools and model powers invite agent. First is callback one and then callback two and after an agent. Callback three and before a tool. So callback is here. Agent after agent, model tools. So now we run it. It does nothing. So now after that you can see follow along with the numbers or diagram below. So first one is input query and runner. Then before agent callback, then search paper finder agent, then before model callback, then transfer to LLM. So runner call the count in invocation plugin, and then after before calling the agent, the plugin has a before callback. Alright, so agent built in use logging plugin. So let's see. agent created, add the login plugin to runner configured. So now you can see that we have created new session. In this way, we find the research papers. Alright, so this is the dark. If I will click on second dark, so it's done now. So what is something that theme setting? Click on that thing now. So you can see that now. Created new session like that, and after user message received and LLM request, it is it finds the research paper. So invocation completed. You can see that because of dark theme, it is not visible to you. Now it's visible. All right. So this is a summary of today. And when to use which type of logging? First one, if you are using development debugging, we will use ADK web and then log level debug. Then second one is we will common production of observability. We use login plugin. Then first of all we will then after that we will build a custom callback in plugin. So congratulations, you know how to debug agent failure through debug logs and ADK web UI. So then we will scale observability with logging plugin for production system. Then we will understand when to use different logging types. All right, so this is about 4A. Then in next video we are going to learn about 4B. So thank you so much for watching this video.